Hi, Bro Scout. This is Dustin Kelly, and I'm going to do a monologue from The Majestic, Jim Carrey. So, yeah. I have something here I would like to read to you all. I wonder if you're familiar with it. Congress shall make no law respecting the establishment of religion, or prohibiting free exercise thereof, or abridging freedom of speech. This is the First Amendment, Mr. Chairman. This is everything we're about, if only we'd live up to it. This is the most important contract that every citizen has with this country. Even though they're just pieces of paper with signatures on them, that they're the only contracts that are definitely not subject for renegotiation. Not by you, Mr. Chairman, or you, Mr. Clyde, or by anyone, ever. Too many people have paid for this contract in blood, and I'll be goddamned if I see you try to change that. Okay, thank you.